Okay, it's summertime. It's braid time. And I know some of you guys don't like to wash your braids. Hi guys, my name is Dr. Howard. I am a board certified dermatologist and the founder of GIRL+HAIR. And I want to talk to you guys about the ultimate braid care kit. Okay. There is no excuse not to wash your braids when you are on vacation because we have made a TSA compliant way to wash your scalp while you are bopping in Croatia, bopping in the Bahamas, bopping in Miami. And let me show you guys what's in the ultimate braid care kit. All right, so this card says what's inside. All right, so let's go over. First, we have the Apple Cider Vinegar rinse, and it is our most popular product. All right, guys, so look, easy applicator tip bottle. This is a low foam product, so you are going to use this after you come back from swimming with the dolphins in the Bahamas or lounging by the pool in Jamaica. That's when you're going to use it. After you use the clear, which is the apple cider vinegar rinse, you are going to follow up with Nourish. You guys see that? Nourish is our leave-in conditioner. So you use clear first and then you use Nourish. And then after you use Nourish, you are going to use Restore. You can get this. This is like a castor oil based product. And I know. Some of the beauticians or some of the hairstylists are saying, you know, not to use oils, but it's okay. I like to use oils after my leave-in conditioner on my braids, especially, not necessarily on my scalp, but especially on the hair shaft when I'm in the water every single day on vacation. Listen, get your braids, go on vacation, have a great time, be safe, but please be sure to properly cleanse and moisturize and hydrate your scalp while you are away on vacation. I made this kit super easy for you guys. Like literally, you just need this, probably some edge tamer, and you are good. That's it. That's all.